A very warm greetings to one and all listening to us. Today I, Bhumika and my friend Arya are from Kendriya Vidyalaya number 2 Sona Road, Gurugram are here to present our project in ATL Marathon. Here we have created an anti-collision system that warns and assists drivers and prevent the upcoming accidents and warns the driver of upcoming vehicle. So this project can be used on the days when the fog level is high and the visibility is low, and on one-way highway when the upcoming vehicle is not visible. So here we have used many components such as
this is ultrasonic sensor which has the range up to 20 centimeter. In practical life we will use radar sensor which can detect obstacles up to 50 meter. This will prevent accidents and inform the driver so that he can take preventive measures.
Here we have connected the ultrasonic sensor and the buzzer to Arduino itself and provided a power supply. So whenever an obstacle comes in the path of the vehicle or the range of the sensor, it will start beeping and warn the driver of the upcoming vehicle and prevent that from accidents. Out of 100% of accidents, 22% of the accidents are because of collision, and out of which 6% are because of fog. This system can prevent those accidents and save many lives. This will improve the overall transportation system of India and enhance it.
Thank you for listening us.